Kapopuyama. Abalaka nyamto nyapa. Awanya President John Dramani Mahama. Kapolala. Nyapa Dipidama. Angoto emenya fafa. To bobo ala nye biha. Maza jina na maugaka. Hoya hanyo. Vivi vikore. Arireta ngo ya dogbo. Apenami. Nyaba fafa sa se kata ni ala darak bawajia. Gapo pode. Banya akhlao. Na aduaja. Ple. Anglo dua kata. Banya disi bubunato. Proto nose. Tanya no toji. Lero rijima. Apenami. Concerned teachers and parents. Concerned teachers and parents. Anloga Municipal Basic Schools. Anloga Voter Region. 22nd February 2026. His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana. Jubilee House. Post Office Box 1627. Accra. Dear Mr. President, petition for urgent action to address alleged and proven bullying and mismanagement in basic schools in the Anloga district. We, the undersigned teachers and parents of the Anloga district basic schools, respectfully bring to your Excellency's attention matters of great concern relating to alleged and proven mismanagement, intimidations, and administrative abuse within the Anloga district. We believe these systemic challenges are seriously affecting teaching standards, learning performance, and staff morale, and therefore require urgent national interventions. It is alleged and proven that district director has engaged in actions that contravene established administrative procedures and violate the Teachers' Code of Conduct, revised June 2017. Key issues. Number one, the assumption of responsibility for setting end-of-term examinations, which is a core professional mandate of teachers under the Teachers' Code of Conduct. Two, it has been alleged and proven that mismanagement of terminal examination charges and quota allocations, creating significant disparities between the director's quota and the proportion allocated to teachers. Three, the engagement of external service providers to set non-standard examination questions, allegedly and proven prioritizing personal or financial interest over the academic welfare of learners. Four, it has been alleged and proven that from printing fees charged to learners across the 52 basic schools in the district, sums of 16,000, 15,000, 12,000, 10,000, and 9,000 Ghana cedis were realized at various periods per school, per term for the district director and contractor service provider responsible for setting the examinations. 5. It has been alleged and proven that bullying and intimidations of head teachers and teachers who question or refuse to comply with these directives. 6. It has been alleged and proven that punitive transfers and salary embargoes imposed on staff members, including cases linked to the preparation or completion of teaching and learning plans. 7. A growing trend of teachers seeking voluntary transfers to senior high schools, SHS, technical and vocational institutions to avoid intimidation, thereby weakening the foundation level of education in the districts. 8. Selective and allegedly proven unlawful transfers without replacement, resulting in severe understaffing. In some two-stream schools, from KG1 to JHS3, staffing levels range between 5 and 11 teachers. 9. Teachers transferred to new stations reportedly receive no transfer grants and must personally bear the cost of updating their management unit records to reflect their new postings. 10. Due to teacher shortages, some head teachers have resorted to engaging SHS leavers who assist in teaching, with parents being asked to contribute towards their remuneration. 11. Learners who are unable to pay full examination fees are allegedly prevented from sitting terminal examinations, causing emotional distress. 12. JHS3 students are reportedly charged 90 Ghana cedis to sit 3 separate mock examinations. Yet, the expected improvement in BEC performance has not been realized. 13. Collectively, these developments are making public basic schools in the Anloga district increasingly unattractive to both teachers and learners. Directorate justifications as presented during a teachers' debate. 1. That some teachers do not properly apply Bloom's taxonomy when setting end of term examination questions. 2. That the directorate has the authority to set examinations just as the West African Examination Council said the BEC and WASI, despite not directly teaching learners. Responses to the justifications. 1. Concerns regarding examination standards could be addressed through professional development workshops and strengthen professional learning communities, PLCs, rather than by removing teachers' statutory responsibilities. 2. WAEC operates within a clearly established legal framework under statutory instruments and ordinances, unlike the present district intervention. Consequences for learners. 1. The continued use of externally set non-standard questions that has reportedly resulted in widespread poor performance, with approximately 97% of learners failing terminal examinations over a period of 9 to 10 years. 2. High-performing learners are reportedly reduced to average performance level due to misalignment between classroom instructions and examination content. 3. Learners' motivations and study habits are negatively affected, as many believe that effort does not correspond to examination outcomes. 4. After examinations, there is reportedly little or no academic follow-up by the directorate to assess learner performance. The emphasis appears to be on financial quotas. 5. A culture of accepting zero or very low scores as normal has developed among learners, which adversely affects basic education certificate examination outcomes and ultimately impacts the district, the region, and the entire nation as a whole. 6. There is development risk comprising the academic future and potential of learners in the Anloga district. Effects on teachers. Some experienced teachers have become demotivated and disengaged from the examination setting process. 2. Newly posted teachers lack adequate opportunity to develop competence in setting standard end-of-term examinations. 3. Teachers face difficulty in counseling learners on the value of examinations due to entrenched expectations of poor results. 4. Head teachers who fail to meet the expected examination quota face punitive transfers. 5. Teachers report frustration due to minimum financial recognition from examination charges after undertaking marking, recording, and reporting duties. Our demands: 1. An immediate, independent, and impartial investigations into the actions of the district director. 2. Appropriate accountability measures where wrongdoing is established. 3. Justice, and where applicable, restriction of compensations for affected learners and teachers. 4. Adequate protection for whistleblowers and all teachers vulnerable to victimization. 5. Strict enforcement of teachers' code of conduct and establish educational regulations. Our request: 1. Take immediate steps to address these matters in accordance with due process. 2. Provide necessary protections and support to affected teachers and head teachers. 3. Restore transparency, fairness, and accountability within the district. We trust that this petition will receive the urgent and serious consideration it deserves. We look forward to Your Excellency's interventions in safeguarding the integrity of basic education in the Anloga district. Yours faithfully, concerned teachers and parents, Anloga Municipal Basic Schools. Parents who have shown keen interest in these demonstrations have sent a carbon copy to the following deserving personalities. 1. The Honorable Minister for Education. 2. Director General, Ghana Education Service. 3. The Attorney General and Minister for Justice. 4. The Speaker of Parliament. 5. The Majority Leader, Parliament of Ghana. 6. The Executive Director, Economic and Organized Crime Office, YOCO. 8. Minister of Gender, Children and Social Protection. 9. The President, Ghana National Association of Teachers, NATS, Accra. 10. The President Stroke Secretary, NAGRAT, Accra. 11. The President Stroke Secretary, Coalition of Concerned Teachers, Accra. The last one has to do with the Chairman Stroke Secretary, Ghana National Association of Teachers, KESA. Thank you. Honorable hardworking, decent chief executive for Anloga. Anya kichoga manya klore nami gapopoyama. Ambala kanyamto nyanyapa. Awanya President John Dramani Mahama. Tekolala nyapa ditidama. Basa se kata nyekilao kwa mkila teramo nyeko. Kuna nyapa suku yopa agala salso kila suku home. Ike to hasa salami agbambe de rapodi. Ele dia de so kata siap kata. Wala na chatra nyam mga upayama na nya abana daga shinao. Nya boti ose aba Anloga ba abalaya nado nya boti bolago ala ba niyo ba joma. Ona choki ni aka ale uto ale ga aka
Akpa, my district coordinating director. Nyedo Hatio Assembly ama Nufia lao jilao ama shama ika la fiendwa madoni do boko na mikata makumon popo ya ba mado donoto ke na mi magajibo manna nyanyakla kakare di ba makomi apa vava sesagmana ya ye de nshia ika ojeba mawalo assembly anawo wado afiko ojeba odwa mawoga wabi ye da yi todia ye miapa nkosaga kuda miapa baba sesonti agbo donami nyawo do itama kwa bana la tola villa club do kopira kon kome madon banami ba usianu kenya assembly apa do alo district chief executive alo du la tapa no la momo fi apa do jeba mawo ga chogba na mu apanami